It is, of course, a great delight for me to come here and to be at the site of the new Clark Multi-Specialty Medical Center, or CMSMC, here now in Clark Freeport Zone in Pampanga. The establishment of the CMSMC is not only part of the State of the Nation Address priorities that I laid out last year, but is also a very important component of the administration's health facility enhancement program. Aside from the enhancements of our health facilities, the HFEP also claims to widen access to quality healthcare services, especially to those from underserved communities. I'm happy that the province of Pampanga and Region 3 will again have this additional medical facility. It will also cater to patients not only from Region 3, but Regions 1, 2, and Metro Manila for the specialties in the heart, kidney, cancer, and pediatric ailments. Allow me to extend my gratitude to everyone who has made this project possible. The part that we must acknowledge, the part that was played by PAGCOR and the Clark Development Corporation, as they had spearheaded the efforts in coordination with the BCDA, the Department of Health, the provincial government of Pampanga, and other partners to construct this facility. Make sure that we continue to collaborate with one another between agencies, keep an open line amongst each other, and ensure the timely completion of this extremely important project. Rest assured, this administration is determined to bring quality healthcare services closer to Filipino people. We will establish primary healthcare facilities and specialty centers nationwide. I will be reporting to the nation on the progress that we have made in establishing and opening new healthcare centers around the country. But that is the product of our relentless push for universal healthcare, and we will not stop until every Filipino can say they have good access to quality healthcare. I cannot endure the sight of seeing a fellow Filipino suffer only because of the lack of facilities in our health system. That is why I urge everyone to be part of the solution and put forward innovative alternatives that you believe can help uplift the lives of our fellow men. I think that there are sufficient lessons to be learned from our experience during the pandemic, and so that we are able to equip ourselves and prepare ourselves for any such occurrence again. And I cannot forget, and the reason that healthcare has been such an important part of this administration, not only because of the experience that we have had in the pandemic in the last 3 years, but also with the guiding understanding and idea that any person, no matter how successful they are in whatever field they have been, cannot enjoy that success if they do not also enjoy good health. And that is why it is a fundamental part of the services that this government will bring to our people. It is not a privilege to have health care. It is a right. And that is how we will approach this problem, and that is how we will continue to make our healthcare system better for all Filipinos in whatever capacity that we are able to do. So this is not a single, although it is a very important milestone for us. This is not a single project that stands on its own alone. This is part of a larger system of healthcare provision that we are putting together to service our kababayans, so that they do not have to wait to get very, very sick before they go to the big hospitals. We are bringing healthcare down to the people. And we will establish rural healthcare units. We will establish barangay centers. We will establish Botica de Barangay. We will go back to that idea. All of these things we are putting together so that at least when it comes to the fundamental health care for our countrymen, then that we can say is readily available to them. We will, starting from the barangay health workers who play an important part in this system, to the RHUs, to the provincial hospitals, to the tertiary care level hospitals, and to grand multi-specialty medical centers such as here in Clark. So let us do our best. Make sure that our work redounds to the benefit of Filipinos. Thank you once again. Congratulations to everyone involved in the project. Mabuhay ang SMC, mabuhay ang Pilipinas. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat.